drowning in biased newsfeed, endless scrolling through irrelevant headlines, and struggling to track topics that actually matter to your work or studies? If that's the case, try out Ancher AI, your smart news assistant that sets up personalized feed, choose your profile, get auto-curated feed with articles and digests, and use the AI to track topics for you. So if you want this all-in-one functionality, follow this video. First off, go to Ancher.ai and here click on the start for free button and you can choose the profile that fits you. And if you're none of these, you can describe what you want to use Ancher for or what kind of news do you follow along. So I'm going to select this AI professional and it will ask you to log into your Google account and you'll be asked to either describe the kind of news feed that you want or you can select from one of these templates. So I'm going to select the first template, that is I'm building something big, and simply click on the use it button and it will take in this input, and it has asked me if I am interested in any particular industry or type of product. So I'm going to give my response and it has started a feed creation personalized to my taste, and this is the curated feed that it gave me. It has variety of news from different websites, even YouTube as well as Twitter posts. Now you can use this text box down here to make it more customized, like if you want to add in some newer topic or get more news on a specific topic, then you can simply type it in here and send for a revised feed. Now here, if you hover over any of the news, it will give you this card which is basically a precise summary of the article, and then if you click on it, it will open it, and here you'll have the Ancher AI that can help you with understanding or any other task. So let's close that for now, and you can see here it has given a one-liner for the whole article, then it has given important points under TLDR, that is too long, don't read, and then the key quotes, the insight and assumption and gaps, also the source. Basically it doesn't give you the article but a quick summary, so you can go through it, and if you want the whole article you can click on the source here. Now you have the option to watch this article, that is by clicking on this watch this for me. What this does is basically it will keep up with this topic and it will update you whenever there is a change regarding that topic. So these are the list of things that I can select from, and it has asked me what aspect do you want me to keep an eye for. So I'm going to select the one that I want, that is the fourth option. So I'm simply going to write 4, and it has given me again a sub list. So I'm going to choose the third option, and it has now created the watch task for me. So that was how you can watch a trend or a topic. And if you want to check out your watch topics, you can go to the watch for me option in your menu here, and it will show you the tracking topics over here. Next you have the Anchor Vault, which is basically a folder to save your articles. So you can save it by simply clicking on this Anchor to my vault, and it will send it to your vault, and here you can check out the articles that have been selected by you to be added to your Anchor Vault. Next mode is this do mode, where you have different options like these, and here you have library as well, so you can add a new plays from this library. So what they do is basically written under their cards. So basically if there is this so what one, so it will describe why does it matter and what it does and how is it affecting you. Then the second one is the people's reaction, so basically it tells about how people are reacting to this news. Then there is backstory one, which gives you key event and context to the movement or the news, so you understand that better. So let's try to use them with one of our articles. So let's go back to our feed and check out some articles. So there is the one, and here you'll find at the very bottom the play options. So here I'm going to choose the people's reaction one, and it will give me a summary of different reactions to this article. So this is the expert reaction, then this is the key parties, that is the retailers like Target, Walmart. Then there is the social sentiment, that is why people use e-card or gift cards to get instant delivery. And there's a notable reaction from Reddit users as well. So that was basically how you can use Play. Let's try another one as well. So I'm using Explain Like I'm 12, and it has given the small summary kind of for the whole article. So the article was based on the top 5 online retailer for 2025 Christmas card, and this is what it has given me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the top 5 places to buy Christmas card listed down without having to go through the whole article and any headache. Then you have the AI functionality where you can ask about this article. So I'm going to ask how important is ESG in fintech, and it will give me a response which looks something like this. And now I can do various things with this response, like make it a post or send it to my take or even prepare your talking points. So I'm going to do that. So it asked me a bunch of questions about what this talking point is for and how does the tone should be and what am I doing with it. And lastly, it gave me a sharp talking point like these, so you can simply use them in whatever context you're using, like a meeting or a presentation or a client pitch, etc. So that was basically how you can leverage Ancher AI to build a customized feed for yourself in just a few minutes. And not only that, you can also save your news in Anchor Vault and follow along with trending topics that you want without having to manually search for it, and do various tasks with your news articles using Ancher AI.